Facebook Live is a feature of the social media platform Facebook that allows users to broadcast live video streams to their audience in real time. To use Facebook Live, a user must have a Facebook account and access to a device with a camera and microphone, such as a smartphone or a computer with a webcam. To start a Facebook Live video, a user can tap on the Live button on their Facebook app or go to their Facebook page and click on Create a Post and select Live Video. From there, the user can add a description, choose who can see the video, and start broadcasting. During the broadcast, viewers can comment and react to the video in real time, and the broadcaster can respond to the comments. The broadcaster can also see the number of people who are watching the live and can choose to end the broadcast at any time. After the broadcast is over, the live is automatically saved to the user's Facebook page, where it can be viewed again by the user and their audience. The live can also be shared, edited, or deleted as desired by the user. Facebook Live is a powerful tool for individuals and organizations to connect with their audience and share their message in an interactive and engaging way.